Yo, hi chat. Hope you guys have had amazing week so far, and welcome to another stream. Let me set up my stuff, and then we shall get into it. Where's my camera? Cool. Alright, let's do it. So, in terms of weekly and monthly, there isn't much to talk about apart from we are going to come up. The monthly, it has a lot of range to continue to push up still. I imagine that you'll be able to come up here and for the rest of the week on the monthly here, and then once you tap into this resistance on the monthly, there's no saying that we are going to break the high. Now that is for the small time frame to tell us that if it's going to continue to break the high, right? But overall, like 14 days left in the month, I imagine you'll be able to just wrap up and just fill the rest of this candle high right here. So let's drop into the weekly as well. So yesterday, I said weekly, you have the resistance right here around 2400, and once you create a top wick, like once you tap into resistance, this weekly candle has no top wick. So I would imagine that once you tap into here, create a top wick, you're going to see a rejection. Once you see a rejection, price is going to decide what it's going to do, and very much likely that the weekly candle will close respecting this resistance right here on your left, and the next weekly will be very interesting to see what it's going to do, whether it's going to come up first and then reject. That should be your liquidity grab to reject and come back inside the range, or it's going to come down and then come up and break this resistance and then close, still respect like doji, or it's just gonna close above the resistance. So those are three scenarios when you see price come to support or resistance, right? So those are three scenarios. So let's drop down to a daily. So that is your range in terms of weekly. So in terms of daily, you have range going all the way towards like 2400, 2392 right here, right? Which I believe you didn't tap, but you nearly tapped there. Yesterday you closed bearish, respecting after tapping to this level resistance on your left 2392. Closed bearish, respecting, and so far into the day you coming up overall. So let's see onto a small time frame and let's see what you're doing. Now there's no saying that we are going to continue to prop up, but there's a possibility that you will reject off of this level of resistance onto your left on the daily, because you're rejecting right off the resistance on the daily right here, close bearish. So if you flip, I would imagine you just come back inside the range, right? So in terms of resistance right here, so you have this new resistance just formed on the 4 hours. So let me just mark it up. So far into the day, the 4 hour just kind of prop up right here, which is cool. Yeah, in the 1 hour you have a minor resistance here. 5 minutes candle just close. Let me see. minor support resistance right here. So you close above on a 1 hour kill. Around half range gold was here. That 5 minutes candle just literally close as well. On 1 hour kind of flat. Now it depends on how you're gonna close here on the 1 hour. Because I imagine if you close respecting this level right here on your left, you'll be able to just wrap up towards the next level right here. I'm looking at these rejection. Like these rejection right into our left right here. Like boom boom boom. So let me see up 30 minutes. In terms of 30 minutes, you have a minor support resistance right here. So say like right around here. So 30 minutes and candle just literally just close. So that's cool. Close above here now. Question is where you're gonna go from here. The 30 minutes still not got our top wick, right? So I imagine if you do drive up, like overall though, if you close below this level right here on your left on the 4 hours, then yeah, sure. But you cannot close respecting here. And if you close back inside this range on the 1 hours, then I imagine that you just drive up towards like 2389 with a bullish candle. So we see here. Like we take a buy if we close back inside this range, 2386. However, if you're not gonna close above this range, then it's rough for me to do anything. But take a sell going down. I need a closure back inside this range right here, and then our top wick, and then another candle reject off of this level, bullish candle reject off of this level, and then a bearish candle coming down. So those are the two things that I need to see before I enter a sell here. Six minutes for the 15 candle closure here. Let's see what you're doing here. Now the 30 minutes still not got a top wick, right? So let's see how this 30 minutes candle closure here. Like this could literally still be the daily bottom wick, by the way. For it to come down towards these levels right here, onto our left. Didn't tap it yesterday, but I would imagine if you do flip here, if the daily decide to flip here, then yeah, you should be able to come down towards that level, and the next level should be right here. Then look at these rejection, small rejection of here, close above, and these rejection right onto your left. I just realised that the 4 hour has no bottom wick, by the way. $15 candle closure here. Looks like you are going to call respecting these level onto our left right here, which is cool. If the next 15 close bullish at the support, we can take a buy up towards this level right here onto our left. But you got to close like respecting this level of support and then close bullish. Thank you, man. Thank you. We're still here, man. I've been streaming for like 5 months now. So yeah, it's been going pretty well. Thank you. Depends on how today's session go. I might have time to. No, I'm not affiliate on Twitch. I don't think I have enough the requirement to get rolled on the affiliate program on Twitch. Yeah. I think they have like let me check. I can't mind what's requirement. $50 followers, stream 8 hours, stream 7 different days, average 3 viewers. So I think the only thing that I have not got is my average viewers. Thanks, man. I'll take any advice. I'm not too fast. Like I'm just do it anyway. You know what I mean? Like, oh, hold on a minute. G2 and T1 playing today. Oh, that's gonna be a banger. You just know that's gonna be a banger. Yeah man, G2 and T1 man. Yeah, go for it. Me a team who can help you grow your channel. What kind of team though? Why am I on that? What kind of team though? Alright, so 15 just closed. No bottom what you call respecting this level of support here. Cool. So next step would be a bullish closure on the 15. Fiverr. Honestly, I'm not too fussed right now. Because I think like if you just stick to it, like eventually you'll be able to like grow your audience and your channel just organically. Because I think that's how everyone starts out, right? Like not everyone just gonna have a massive like fan base like right off the bat. Like unless you already like has recognition, then yeah, sure, that's be a different story. But like, I think like if just for a general case, if you just start streaming, I think eventually they just you just grow your grow your channel, is there a way to turn your music off from my side? No, but I can turn my music down if that's what you're asking. Wait, is my music too loud? I thought it was, is that any better? Yeah, man, I've been watching the stream back to see whether the volume was okay, but I guess sometimes it's buffer. Alright, so 8 minutes for 30 minutes candle closure here. You don't have a top wick on this 30 minutes candle, so it's just not much I can look for. Like probably now I would say I wait for the 1 hour candle closure, and then we see where we can go from there. But as long as it's 15 candle close bullish respecting this level I should have left here. So if the next 15 candle open up, come down, create a bottom wick down here, and then come back inside the range, that'll be your literally buy entry. I'll check it out later, bro. I'm more concerned in what's the next 5 minutes candle close here. Yeah, I'm only trading one chart. Yep. I am only trading one pair. Well, for now. I really want to master one pair, because I think that one pair is like has enough opportunity for you to hone in just skill alone anyway, because different pair has different behaviors. So unless you trade with with a strategy that allows you to, I mean, most strategy should allow you to trade most market conditions. However, for me, I just always like to trade gold, like just master one pair, because they all, even though price action is literally the exact same, they all have different behavior. They all move in a certain way, but price action is price action. Once you understand price action, you can trade anything. Literally this and this, support and resistance. Five minutes for 1 hour candle closure here. Question is, will this 15 hold, or will it flip in the last 5 minutes here? Because it could still flip the last 5 minutes. It's not got a bottom wick or anything yet. So you're only trading with price action, no indicators. Yes, that is correct. I used to have like a bunch of, I used to be an indicator trader. I have a bunch of things on my chart. What was a thing that I used to use a lot? Bollinger Bands, SMA. Oh, I didn't know SMA. Now you got smooth moving average. What else did I have on my chat as well? MA cross or something. No, I didn't have that. That's a lie. Fibonacci retracement, a little bit of Fibonacci's too. So you just draw it like this. Okay, this is an area of interest right here. Cool. Yeah, so those were the day, but holy Jesus, I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Karma, what's that? What is this? Wait, is this some kind of is this some kind of signal or what? Buy, sell, sell. Yeah, it has potential to, so this is my plan. So if this 15 close respecting this level right here, close bullish on this 15 right here, like if we close bullish, right, on opening on a 1 hour candle, if you come down for a bottom wick, there's a high chance that I will be entering long position on the flip of the 1 hour candle. But I need to turn this off. It's a little bit distracting. Yeah, I just use this SMA, Fibonacci, that kind of, those kind of level. I don't remember how you use that. Is this how you use it? Like top to, yeah, I think. I can't even mind. Kaufman adaptive moving average, it changes its periodic dynamically. That is a new one. Like I never knew that one. Like back when I was still using indicators, it was still very much SMA and just Fib. Those just two things that I was mainly using most. But now it just, your eyes really, like you can just see it in your eyes, like you can see like massive rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and then look at current price as well, rejection, rejection. So like average out, you can just tell that there's a minor support right there. So the overall, that just, it just become natural to you over time, like when you just put yourself into a habit of looking at price. So 15 close bullish here, right? Cool. I want to see a bottom wick on a 1 hour before I even enter off the buy here. There's no buy yet. If you just come up like here, and no bottom wick, then there's a chance that this 1 hour could literally just flip and come down to create a bottom wick. So no, there's no position just yet. But what you could do though, what you can do is you can wait for a candle closure like above these level onto your left right here. That you see rejection here, 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 here. So if you get a candle closure above there, then I would imagine you just be able to drive towards this level resistance right here, 389. That was my 1 hour resistance. But we see here. Like worst case, we won't get a trade this morning, but I don't think we moved that much during the London session though. Okay, we just started moving from 7. You move 50 pips, and then at 8 o'clock you come back down to 33 pips. So like, didn't really move that much. What you did on a 7 hour at 7 o'clock, I think that's a move to the session at 7 right here, and then after this just kind of ranging. But we see here, I think we have news later on today as well, so even if you don't get no, you don't, you actually don't have any news, but even if you don't get a trade, you sure will get volume for the NYC session. But this 1 hour could still flip, by the way, since we have no bottom wick here. I think I might just start starting the session a little bit sooner. Like around 7 o'clock, because I'm starting to see a pattern where markets start to move and have volume around 7 o'clock of the London session. So I think I might start showing up a little bit earlier, because after this you won't get much. I don't think you're gonna move until at least 9:30 or something, until you create a bottom wick on this 1 hour candle. Thanks for the support, man. Thank you. It's a little bit rough here because right now it's very nice to buy because it's literally on the 15 and literally a confirmation for me for buy, but I really want a bottom wick. I can't really do much without a bottom wick. Once you create a bottom wick on the rebreak of the high, we be in there, but I need a bottom wick here. No bottom wick, I can't really do much because a 1 hour candle can still flip. You see what I'm saying about waiting for the 1 hour candle to flip? Has no bottom wick. That's a 30 minutes flip as well. 15 literally flipped the last 5 minutes. Now it's a little bit rough because this thing can still continue to fly down towards like 2382 here. That's a flip on the 30 minutes. That's a 5 minute closure. Go back, close this way, close back inside the range. Cool. then you create a top wick on a 5 even. Okay, you're coming down. Nice. Very nice. I'm not looking for buy just yet until you close back above this level right here onto the left, like 23.84 right here. Right now I'm more interested in sell going down, like towards 23.81 to 23.79. Those are the level for 8 minutes in the 1 hour candle here. So let's see. Yeah, let's try exact same level. Two minutes here. On the opening of the 15, I'm looking for a flat sell going down towards like this level right here onto the left. That's your minus support. However, I do think that you do have range to go down 81, and then if you continue to break down below then 7.9. But we'll see how the 15 candle close here. So if the 15 candle close bearish, I'll take the flip going down. And the flip, by the time that you re-break the low on the 15, that'll be your break-even spot. So 1 minute here. One minute before this setup. Lock it in. As long as you call respecting these levels to the left right here that I can see, you do make your way down towards like 23.79 for the most part. Oh wow, it's on exact same level as well, which is cool. 30 seconds here. Seconds. Right, on the opening of 15, if you create a top wick, I'll take the flip going down, okay? So on the re-break of the low, I'll imagine that you'll be able to drive. On the re-break of the low, that'll be your break-even spot, alright? Right, let's see how you open up here. I need a top wick before I enter here. Okay, so now you got a top wick, right? So I will have my position right at the flip at 15 here, okay? So if this 15 flip, I would imagine that you'll be able to come down, re-break the low. If you come down, re-break the low, that'd be your break-even spot. So right here is your break-even level right here. Oh, just so you guys can see it. Hold on. Literally right at the flip of the 15 minutes candle. So if you flip here, I imagine you just come down, and once you break the low, that'll be your stop loss level. So you guys can see. Now, as long as the 5 close respecting here, this level right here, you should be fine. And if the 15 doesn't decide to flip here, and the 1 hour decide to flip, then my friend, it's gonna be a little bit rough. This 4 hour is still close respecting this level, by the way. Like, even for you to drop up, I would imagine you tap into it 2079. That is where you tap in the past, most likely whenever you drive up. That I imagine that every time you drive up, you tap into these level right here. So even if you was to drive up, I would imagine you need liquidity down. But if only if you flip on the 15 here. If you don't flip on the 15 here, then the idea is not there. I would only take the flip here, because this 1 hour, like I said, this 1 hour could still respect in this level right here and close above 2384. Alright, so the 5 is close bullish back inside the range. So I'm gonna delete my sell stop here, okay? And wait and see how this 15 candle close here. maybe this 5 might be out here, but just the fact there's a 4-hour candle closed bullish back inside the range here. It's very rough for me to even take a sell, because you don't want to catch a falling knife, because this thing could still fly up for all I know. You did not close above here though, so buying there is just completely not valid at all. I think the 15 gonna flip here in 2 minutes here. I have my sell stop on the flip with 15, right? So if you do decide to flip in the next 5 minutes and really break the low, then I would imagine you just drive down. You see how all these candles are reject here? Now if you flip on the 15 here, I imagine you just fly down. But you only have 5 minutes left, so what will you do here? This 1 hour still closing respecting this level, by the way. The 4 hours could potentially close above this level right here. So very sketchy. Yeah. Like what I'll say now is that you probably want to wait for the 4-hour candle closure. Could you see how this 5 just like create structure here? There's just no really like a direction because you're not moving. I'll give it to maybe another 5 minutes maybe. Imagine that show your way up. Okay, 1 hour flat. Nice. I'm very much more interested in how this 1 hour candle closure and then open in the 4 hours. Next 4 hour candle, because if you close above 2382, look left. Every time you close above, whether you drive up towards to like minimum wick fill, right? Towards these level onto the left right here, 2389. So I'm not too fussed right now because like there isn't a setup that I can take. But like after the 1 hour candle closure, if you close bullish on the 1 hour and then the 4 hours close above this level right here, then yeah man, for sure we be hunting then. But right now there's not really a lot of opportunity to even look for. So what I'll say though, like if you continue to trade, I'm gonna end the stream here. If you continue to trade, wait for the 1 hour candle closure. If the 1 hour candle closure closes back in this level right here, right, and close bullish, same goes with 4 hours, same goes with 30 minutes, same goes with 15 and 5. Then wait for a bottom wick, take the flip of the 4 hour candle closure to take you up towards a wick fill, and that is a 36 pips range to go up and fill that range. But for the stream, that is me now. I'm gonna call it a day, but that's what I would do, and that's what I will do. I'll wait for the 1 hour candle closure, I'll wait for the 4 hour candle closure, and then I'll go in. But with that being said, I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. If you continue to trade, make sure you trade with make sure you follow your plan, make sure you don't overtrade, make sure you just trade, make sure you follow your edge, okay? So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Alright, good luck, man. Have a good night. Have a good rest of the week, and have a good weekend, man. I'll see you after.